So this lesson is going to be on multiplying and dividing rational expressions. Now, because rational expressions work just like fractions, I'm going to give you guys a brief reminder of how we multiply and divide fractions, and then we'll see how that translates over to rational expressions. So looking at fractions, let's look at the following. Let's say we were asked to do 15/20ths divided by, let me change that a little bit. 15/17ths times 34/21. 15/17ths times 34/21. Now we know that we could just multiply across and then cancel. That's going to be a lot tougher though than if we were to factor the numbers first. So let's think for a moment. 15 is 3 times 5. 17 is just prime. 34 is 2 times 17. And then 21 is 3 times 7. Now from here we can cancel the common factors. So the 3 and the 3 cancel. The 17 and the 17 cancel. So what are we left with? On the top we have 2 times 5 is 10. And on the bottom we have just a 7. So the answer is 10/7. This is a lot easier than if we were to multiply 15 times 34 and then 17 times 21. Even though we would get the same answer, we would have to reduce that, and that's the tough part. Reducing a fraction when the numbers are big is a lot harder than reducing them here at this early step. So let's write down what we did. So step 1, we factored all terms. Step 2, we canceled common factors on top with common factors on the bottom. Step 3, we multiply. So these are the steps for multiplying fractions. Turns out these are also the steps for multiplying rational expressions. Okay? So let's try a couple of examples and you'll see that these are in fact exactly the same. So number 1, for all of these actually, we're going to multiply and simplify the following. So let me in fact write that underneath. So this is number 1 here, where it's going to be 4r to the 9th over t squared times t to the 5th over 8r to the 13th. Now, with this, because these are all monomials, there's no real factoring we have to do, so we can just cancel common factors. So let's first think of the 4 and the 8. We can reduce the 4 and the 8. The 4 becomes a 1 and the 8 becomes a 2 because we're canceling out 4. Next we have r to the 9th and r to the 13th. So if we cancel all 9 of these with 9 of them on the bottom, we're left with 4 on the bottom. Finally, we have 2 t's on the bottom and 5 t's on the top. So canceling those 2 with 2 of those, we're left with 3 more on the top. So the answer is going to be, let's see here. On the top we have 1 times t cubed. So we get t cubed over. On the bottom we get 2r to the 4th. I guess I should put a little more detail here. Besides just multiply, so you can really see how the multiplication is happening. You multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators. Okay? Alright, let's do another one. The next one's going to be a little tougher. We'll get a little harder each time. So k over 7k plus 56 times k squared minus 64 over 8k cubed. So step 1, factor all the terms. Well, we can factor the 7k plus 56, right? This becomes, if we take out a 7, we get k plus 8. Now k squared minus 64, this is a difference of squares. We can write k plus 8 times k minus 8. And on the bottom we can just write 8k cubed. Now we can start canceling the common factors. First off, one of these k's goes away with one of those k's. We're left with 2. And the k plus 8 goes away with the k plus 8. That is all we can cancel. Even though we see a k and a k, the k on the top is not a factor. K minus 8 is. So the answer becomes, on the top, we just have k minus 8. And on the bottom, we have 7 times 8k squared is 56k squared. And that is it. Okay, we're going to do a few more. So let's look at number 3. It's going to be p squared minus 5p minus 24 over p cubed times 28 minus 4b. Sorry, this should say, hold on a minute. Let me just finish writing this down. P minus 8 squared. Yeah, so I'm sorry about this. I think I wrote this problem wrong. This should be, let's change this a little bit. So this should be 1 over. So let me change this to 1 over. I think I mixed up the next two problems that I'm going to do. So this should be a 1. So this is my problem. Okay. Alright, so let's see how we can do this problem. This does say times here, right? So this is just how we did it before. Now everything is factored except for the top left. So we have to remember how to factor our trinomials. So p squared minus 5p minus 24, we want two things that multiply to negative 24 and add to negative 5. We have negative 8 and positive 3. Negative 8 and positive 3. Because negative 8 times 3 is negative 24. And negative 8 plus 3 is negative 5, right? So in fact what we get is p minus 8 times p plus 3. Times 1 over p minus 8 squared. Now notice we can cancel something. We can cancel a p minus 8 from the top and the bottom. But that means on the bottom we're going to be left with one of them. Nothing else reduces. And so my answer becomes p plus 3 on the top. On the bottom I have p cubed times p minus 8. Alright, great. Now I wanted to go over division. Now as we know, dividing fractions is very similar to multiplying fractions. You just have to do one thing first, which is to flip the second fraction and change it to multiplication, right? So let me write this down. To divide rational expressions, just remember to flip the second fraction and change it to multiplication. So you flip the second fraction, change it to multiplication. That's the exact same thing with rational expressions. So always flip first, then multiply. Just to reiterate that, always flip first. And this is before canceling, before anything else. Alright, let's do a division problem. We'll start off with an easy one and then do a harder one. 42y to the 10th over z to the 4th divided by 7y squared over z to the 6th. Okay, so remember what we said. Because it's division, you have to flip the second one. The first one stays the same. So we're going to do multiply z to the 6th over 7y squared. And now we cancel what we can. So notice the 42 and the 7. We can cancel that and make it a 6 and a 1. Now the y to the 10th and y squared. 2 of those cancel with 2 of these. We're left with 8 of them. And then z to the 4th, z to the 6th. All 4 of those cancel, and we're left with 2 on the top. So altogether we get 6y to the 8th, and then z squared. And there's nothing left on the bottom, so that's it. 6y to the 8th times z squared. I know it should be over 1, but you never really write the 1 underneath the fraction, right? Just like 4 over 1 is just 4. You don't have to write the 1. Okay. So, before we do something, before I do another problem, I just want to do a recap. What is negative 4 over 4? So we know that this is actually negative 1, right? That's not too hard to see. Now the difference is with polynomials it works a little bit differently. Because if I were to ask you what x minus 4 over 4 minus x is, it's not so obvious, but in fact the bottom is the negative of the top. If you factor a negative out of the bottom, you end up with negative 4 plus x, which is the same as x minus 4. So in fact, this is the same as x minus 4 over negative of x minus 4. So that means this is really just negative 1. So an easy rule to remember this is any time that you have a minus b over b minus a. This is always negative 1. So if the subtraction is in reverse order, you have negative 1. Alright, so now that we have that taken care of, I want to do our last example. This will be our toughest one. B squared plus 10b plus 9 over b squared minus 49 divided by b squared minus 3b minus 4 over 28 minus 4b. Alright, so let's flip first. So I'm going to write b squared plus 10b plus 9 over b squared minus 49. The first one doesn't change. The second one changes. Sorry, I should say a b. I apologize. Just like that mistake I made before, b's and p's are easy to flip because they sound so similar in your mind. So, now that we have flipped and changed it to multiplication, now we're going to factor. So in the first one, this becomes b plus 1 times b plus 9. On the bottom, this is a difference of squares, so we're left with b plus 7, b minus 7. Over here, we can take out what? So from 28 minus 4b, I can factor out a 4, and I'm left with 7 minus b. And on the bottom, if I factor that, two numbers that multiply to negative 4 and add to negative 3, we got negative 4 and positive 1. So b minus 4, b plus 1. Now what can we cancel? Well, we have the b plus 1 over the b plus 1. Another thing we can cancel, we notice that we have a 7 minus b here and a b minus 7 here. Now we wrote down over here exactly what to do, right? So these actually cancel and give us a negative 1. So what does this mean? So at the top, we're going to have negative 1 times 4 times b plus 9, so negative 4 times b plus 9. On the bottom, we have b plus 7 times b minus 4. And that's it. As far as the negative, you can attach it to the top like this, or you can put it on the outside. You can put it on the bottom too, but very few people actually do that. Okay, I hope that was useful for you guys, and please make sure that you watch the other video on adding, subtracting rational expressions, as that one is a lot tougher. Thanks very much for watching, and good luck.